Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who this is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab, because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So, this video, we're just going to go over like what gap insurance is. You know, gap insurance is basically the insurance you will need. I would suggest everybody get if you're going to finance a car. You know, basically, like they say, it's a kind of sort of a peace of mind. I mean, it's basically a peace of mind. Gap insurance they usually range between like 400 to 1,000, just depends on the car. Sometimes it may be more than that, but it's going to equate up until probably about it's probably going to equate to probably about adding an extra $3 onto your payment a month over the time of the loan. $3, maybe like $3 to $10 possibly over the life of the loan, depending on how long you're gonna find. But basically, what gap insurance is basically when you basically covers the difference for up to like this one. For Gap Shield, see, this one covers up to 150,000 of the 150% of the MSRP or NADA value. So whatever your NAD value is, it covers up to 100%, and then sometimes the gap pays up to 1,000 of the deductible. Sometimes your gap covers your deductible. Sometimes it doesn't. But you can also that's why sometimes the gap is a little bit more expensive. So sometimes the gap might be 500, might be 1,000, might be 1,500. Just it depends on how much of the deductible that some of these gap companies cover. But basically, it covers the like you're going to just say you're going to finance a car. Everybody knows once you finance a car, once you leave off the lot, it's going to lose value. So just say you left off the lot, you had the car for like 6 months. Your car usually about time. It's probably about year around year 4 is about time where you're not like really like that far upside down because you're like that close to paying off your car, and your car is around like 60,000 miles. It's around like 60,000 miles. So you're kind of close to that break even point. It takes about that time. But usually Gap is good for like the first 3 years of owning the vehicle because it covers that difference. So say if you get in a car accident, and basically this is where Gap comes in. You owe 10,000, but your car is only worth 6,000. That's where Gap comes in. Gap comes in. Basically, that's all it is. It covers that gap. You owe 6,000. Your car is only worth 4. Bam. Gap comes in. Bam. So you ain't having to pay that extra 4,000 because without Gap, just say you got into an accident and you still got this loan that you still got this loan to pay. So you got into an accident. Bam. Like I said, the car is 10,000. You still owe 10 plus thousand on the car, but your car is only worth 6. So your insurance company gives you the 6,000 what your car is worth, and you get that to the company, you still owe 4,000. So you don't have a car and you still be making payments on that 4,000 that you got to do. This gap comes in for so you don't have to pay that difference. That's all it is. Just insurance, so you extra insurance because every car loses value. Doesn't matter the car, and the gap is just going to be expensive. It's going to, like I said, it's going to equate from 3. It can be $3 to $20 extra on your payment. Just depends. Okay, that bub's going bad. But it's usually around like $3 to $10 extra. And then if you get like a warranty is between $20 to $40 extra payment. So if you get like Gap and extended warranty, you're looking around like a $50 to $70 additional payment, which warranty is up in the air, man. Warranty's up in the air because it just depends on the type of warranty you get. Some warranties cover certain things, and then there's like little things inside the warranty that it might not cover. So you might have a car that long, it might not never use the warranty. But the Gap is if you get into an accident, you're covered, and the Gap is like the least expensive. It's just like it's just added insurance. You can get Gap through the dealership that you're financing the company through, or where whoever your insurance company is, just ask them about the Gap. I know a lot of times when people get in the full coverage insurance, they don't say anything about the Gap insurance, and a lot of people might not know what Gap insurance is. But I'm here to just explain to you. If you're financing a vehicle, get Gap. Get it. Ask your dealership, wherever you're going to, ask your bank that you're about to finance to, ask your insurance company, hey, do y'all offer Gap? Bam, add that to it. Because if you get into this accident and you have to and you don't want to be paying the remaining balance because, like I said, the cars you owe 10,000. Your car is only worth 6. You get 6. You still owe that 4,000. Then you got to go get you another car. Now you got to go get you another car, and now you got to go get you another car. Nah, see with the Gap, your insurance company, your insurance covers the 6,000. Then the Gap comes in and covers that 4,000. Bam, you wipe it clean. You walk away from that car. You can go on to the next one. But if you don't get Gap, you'll just be paying that difference. So if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Just shouldn't have been this long, but that's kind of what it is. And then I'll make another video probably within the next day or so or the next week to kind of show you kind of like when you're going to get a warranty, kind of what to ask for and what to look for when you're going to get a warranty, because warranty is just a great peace of mind. Because still these cars are manufactured and you never know when something's going to go wrong, so you just want to have that peace of mind. So I'll tell you kind of what to look for and ask for when you're going to get a warranty and stuff like that. But definitely when you're going to get a car, if you're financing, get Gap insurance. Get Gap insurance. I'm gonna just tell you, I don't really be saying a lot of stuff, but Gap is totally worth it. You don't be wanting to pay. You don't want to pay that additional cost, because sometimes these cars you be way far upside down. Like certain cars, like those, like I'm just saying, Dodge Chargers. People get a lot of them. Like them RTs and stuff. They lose a lot of value. Those like some of those like 200s and stuff like that, 300, they lose a lot of value. You can be 6,000-7,000 upside down, and that's when. And if it's something you happen to total out, bam, you got this Gap. Boom, makes it up for the difference. But appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.